Vun eisen Mobile Reporter passt perfekt bei des ver grosse Perzfan mecht Bochassen Per, dann ass er senger Freizeit doch ganz engagéiert wat AI o belang künstlich Intelligenz, die natürlich auch op dieser ganz wichtig ist, zum Beispiel am Bereich vun den Solarzellen. Und dann huet non a Finnland studiert, wo en exzellent geleiert huet Englisch schwätzen, dat hëlle vanst de Orlo nach Interviewen op Englisch solls feieren. Nico, welcome aboard an das Dir.
Merci Kamil für die gute Intro. Effektiv so machen wir etwas ganz interessant, dass wir schwätzen hier mit Agri-Power-Tech und das ist ein ganzen Zyklus. Ich meine, kurz Intro, Blitzebäuer, ich mal loslegen und da geht es darum, wo die Energie rankommen, Solarzellen, wo sie verschafft, die gespeichert gehen und noch wo sie noch raus, gehen wir dann einen Plug, bei mir ist den Alex Valenzuela, den CEO and co-founder of Agri-Power-Tech, and it's a whole group with many different companies that we see here that are involved.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Nico. We are very proud that we are again one more year supporting the Foire Agricole. We evolved since then. So we evolved from one small company to a group. And this group today provides different solutions, 360, everything under one umbrella. And we provide with different companies energy generation, from solar, from photovoltaic, from gas as well, biogas. We provide storage, and we provide EV charging.
And we would not be at the foire if we had not a lot of things to show. Let's make the tour here to the solar panels. And they are very special indeed because,
The four companies we do have, as you see here, we are covering energy generation with Clearnanotech, biogas and bioenergy for heating and electricity with Lee, battery storage with positron, and EV charging with X-Amp. So,
an hier sehen wir auch dann die verschiedenen Solarpanelen, and as you said, you evolved a lot. Before it was the panels, and now you have patents, and they are from Luxembourg as well. The patent, it's a Luxembourgish company. Let's explain what's special about the solar panels here.
Yes, our main goal was to support not only the farmer world, but also any kind of buildings. And what we do is we provide lightweight solutions for rooftops and facades. And in this case, you see a silo wall where we apply PV, lightweight PV with a Velcro on the backside. So that makes it detachable, that makes it easy to apply and reduce cost, of course. And we take the areas that are not covered by today, which is silo walls. We do the same for roofs as well, as you see here.
Du können wir weitergehen für Silo, die sitzen sie ganz genau op Agrikultur angestellt. You are really focused on agriculture, and here we can see on the roof, which is also really special, and there you need a special fixing system that you invented.
Yes, so we created and patented a special solution which decreased the installation time by 3-4 times. This reduces the cost immensely, and what we did is we created a plug-and-play profile. You can see here with the Velcro. And this system, what allows you is in a plug-and-play, prefabricated and pre-assembled, so that the installer can do in minutes a rooftop installation.
Ganz efficace, da gehen wir weiter, auch par rapport zu den normalen Solarzellen in comparison to the normal solar panels. They are really lightweight, and we can see the what is the weight comparison?
So we are talking about between 12 to 17 kilos compared to 3 kilos. So that makes the transport, the installation very easy. We created a new, also in the preparation to be patented, a new substructure that makes very easy to apply lightweight technologies for solar farms. 3 kilos per square meter.
Ganz impressionant Technologie, die hier op der Foire quasi zu Lützeburg weiterentwickelt wird. Und hier gehen wir weiterkommen. Let's continue the tour.
Yes, so in this case what we show is how biogas generation happens, and this provides to customers, to the farmers, not only heat but also electricity. And this is one part of the 360 degrees that we are covering. Energy that is smart, optimized.
And to conclude the circle, or to continue the circle, we have the storage as well. Dat heißt, du dann auch op der Platz stockiert, in der Tisch bleibt quasi alles in-house.
Yeah, so what we have here is a battery part where we store all the energy that we generated from the solar, from the heat, from the electricity into one unit. The performance is amazing. So we support to increase the efficiency levels of this build of the storage, moving from 30-40% to 70%.
Ganz heich effikaz auch an dat alles wie gesagt op der Platz, everything in-house, and then we come to the last to close the circle really with the plug and play.
So we are very happy as well that we close the circle using the EV charging from another company, Luxembourgish one, which allows you to all this stored energy to do like this. You can charge with all this clean tech, optimized efficiency generated for your electrical vehicle.
And dat fund den alles bei agripowertech, agripowertech.lu. Thank you very much for the tour, Alex, and I'm sure we'll hear more from you.
Visit us at agripowertech. We are agripowertech.lu. We are there for you to help, and I hope we see you next year.
And du war dat direkt bei dir auf der Plateau, Kamil.
Very well done indeed, my dear. Very good.